There you go. You see? Put your head down. Look at the baby. Look at the baby and see what that is. Look down at the baby. Look. Look down.
Ripper. Come fi tell you something real. Well, if of them a try set it, no a judge a make it. Looking at yourself and just stop talk. We strive until we reach the top hill, but then when we drop shot.
I'm a YouTuber now. Yeah.
Yeah, make it, let it go down. Alright, mate. He is dancing like, yeah. So yes, peeps, Savannah is up and running, you know. Day out, first day out in the jungle. Decided to come out today, and then it's not looking good at all. It's not looking good. Seems like the heaven want to open up. You know, it's not looking good at all. It's raining and a bit of sunshine. But I'm gonna see how far we can go with this thing.
Congratulations.
It's alright, thanks. Yeah, just no, you see I've got good break, almost crashing the dog. Savannah is there sleeping away. But she's not sleeping, just sucking on her.
You're buying asleep.
Yeah. But it's so funny, you know, I live at this place only here for over 10 years, and it's the first time knowing that we got this like natural reserve here. I didn't know nothing about it. But Mom come and know about this place before me just because of our pregnancy life. Funny. Easy. You know what? Where did I put the thing to go on the bottom? Did I give it to you? Got it? Okay. What's on that side?
If you keep walking down there, you'll come to this. Do you know Smestow School? It'll be on your left. You'll see some. You'll see the school building.
Yeah.
Just keep going, and you'll end up at the canal.
Okay. There's a canal down there.
I want down that way.
More of this.
More of this, just walking.
And eventually, it'll get really muddy.
Oh.
Okay. Oh my life. This is the only part that you can hear the water running. Everyone, I know you all saw the challenge of me putting up the pushchair under 10 minutes, as I say I could do. So we just out with Savannah enjoying the ride in the pushchair. Yeah, so it's our first outing. Yeah. Yep. First outing. Beautiful place all around. You know, it's a bit windy and cold out here, but out here anyway, enjoying nature. See it? See her, she looking shy like she can't speak, you know, she don't want to say anything, but she's not in the hospital anymore, so she can go on camera now. Yeah? Yeah, so we're just taking Savannah for a little walk. Just gonna enjoy some fresh air and cool breeze. Well, not really cool, you know, this breeze is really chilly, but
Not for her.
but she's all tucked in. She's all tucked in fast asleep. She's fast asleep. She don't have a care in the world at this moment.
So it should be that way.
Yeah. Sleeping away. Let's pull that back a bit so I can get some sunlight. They pull the yeah. You can see little Savvy sleeping. Not in hospital anymore, strapping to wires that you know, I think the cowl is getting to her now, you know, you gotta put this back up. The cowl is getting to her. Yeah, so that's having her in her little buggy. See it? The cowl wake her, you know. She's out. She's gonna wake now.
It's like, where am I?
Yeah, she's thinking, where the hell am I? Huh? I haven't seen this place before.
She can't see nothing.
Huh? Have you seen this place before, Savvy? Look. Huh? Have you seen this place before? Nah, it's a strange place, eh? Don't worry, you'll see more of it. You're stretching now. Stretching, yeah? You know it. Yeah, look up on the sky. Look up on the sky.
Baby. Hi, baby. Oh, you're nice and warm.
Alright, I'm gonna cover you back up so the cold don't get in your face, alright? Okay. Sorry to disturb you. Let me see if you can drive, you know, because you can't, you touch that with the wheel, touch that, you know. The wheel touch the thing. Yeah, the wheel touch it, you can't drive, man. You can't drive. You can't drive. Yes, peeps, so you know, I'm out in the forest. Look, it's like a nature's reserve. Yeah, what it is? It's a nature reserve, yeah. Yeah, so it's quite a nice little area still. You know, I've got the thing on zoom, you know, the hell. Yeah, it's quite a nice little area. Trees and little forestation and all that. So. Yes, Karen, let me get a push.
Where you going?
Kick that out the road. Just take it out the road. That's the sleep. That's the sleep. This baby Lux pushchair is quite comfortable. This pushchair got all shocks in. that suspension. Suspension in it. Up and bottom. So no matter. So we run over the baby not feeling anything. Man, it's quite the suspension and it is up, you know. Yeah, there's more people coming out. People from all over coming out, coming out, coming out. See, more baby coming out too. Huh? Right, look, my eyes bright, you know. Look at baby, open his eye wide. All right, watch this drive now, yeah. Now touch nothing. You see that there? Okay. See it, so. Yo, battery are dead.
Hello. What's up? Where's the baby saying there? You know the man? Finally home, man. You're home finally. Chop chop. Say something for the camera. Come on, you ain't gonna say nothing. You're just gonna sit there and look. You ain't gonna just sit and look like that? What's up, what's up? Eh? Who are you saying? Where are you trying to go? Do you know who I am? You know who I am? Hey, yes, you look smiling there. You know who I am? Say something. You know who I am? You know who I am? You recognize the voice, don't it? Yes. Yes, you recognize the voice, don't? Yes, say something. Yeah, look at that smile. Look at that smile. Look at that smiley face. Can you smile for me? Craven. Come out the leak. Come out leaking stuff. So, you know, there's a place in Jamaica called Savannah. There's a parish in Jamaica. Well, it's Savannah. It's called Savannah, but they just they call it Sav. It's alright. It's alright.
I don't know.
You see what your face, you know, move your head up. There you go, you see? Put your head down, look at the baby, look at the baby and see what that is. Look down at the baby, look. Look down.
Hello.